wedding day, you should look the best version of yourself. Hello everyone, this is Shruti here. In today's wedding series content, I am talking about the 5 important bridal tips which will make you more comfortable and supremely confident on your wedding day. Hairstyles are like a game changers. There are so many hairstyles like updos, buns, curls, loose hair, wavy hair, beach hair, and also some jewelries to the hairs. Before thinking of all that and stressing yourself, first thing you have to think is, what's your dress like? Hairstyles, remember, your wedding hairstyle should always complement your dress and not compete with your dress. What do I mean by this? It's, for example, if your dress is very simple, you can go for a little kind of a dramatic hairstyles. Vice versa, if you have a dress which is very rich of design and then sparkling embroideries, it's always better to choose the subtle hairdo at an elegant one. If your dress has a gorgeous open back design, you can opt for a side ponytail or a braids to show off your back design, right? Basically, it's important to choose the hairstyles which will match for your dress and also your personal style too. The second most important tip is, what's your weather like? If your wedding is happening in some cool climatic conditions, you can choose for some gorgeous cascading curls or any of the hairstyles of your choice. The same way, if your wedding is happening in a hot and humid climatic condition, it's always better to go for an updos where you don't need to worry about that frizzy hair sticking to your back. Important tip is knowing what's your hair length, volume and the texture. If you have a good volume and the hair length, that's well and enough, because it's very easy to do any kind of a hairstyles that you are looking for. And if you have a thin hair, no need to worry again, because the hair extensions will be your saviors on your big days. Coming to the hair texture, according to the experts' advice, if your hair is a curly or a frizzy, it's always better to take a shower a day before and then blow dry it professionally so it is smooth and polished in the preparation of the styling. If your hair is naturally smooth, then it is easily manageable. The important tip is, get a hair trial from your hairstylist no matter what. Collecting hundreds of the latest inspirational pictures may complicate your process and will end up with a confusion, right? Instead of that, keep the dress in your mind, keep the weather conditions in your mind, and you have so much of filters here. Narrow down your images through 3 to 5 images and discuss those images with your hairstylist and get a trial of those hair, which is way simple. Tip here is, if you're planning for a French haircut, do take or consider all that before you take a trial. So it's very easy for your hairstylist to consider and to show your hairstyles what looks best for you. Fifth important tip is, keep an emergency hairstyling kit ready. Once the hairstylist is done, like that big day, you never know, you would require some small bobby pins, hair pins, safety pins or hair bands, something like a minor things which should not panic you on that day. The bonus tip is, you can do your makeup and hairstyle by yourself for those small events which happens right before the wedding. One more good news is, at the end of the wedding series content, I am giving the free bridal assistance for about 1 day and I am taking 5 clients. Don't forget to like and comment, and if you are new, do subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.